on the river porch, walking into the house. There's the swing. There's a little table down here. There is another table over here and a chair and another smaller little table and some grill equipment hanging on the wall. Inside the kitchen, as we walk in the kitchen, there is one kitchen table with 4 chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a little stool next to the kitchen sink. Walking now into the dining room, there is the dining room table. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chairs around the dining room table. There is another chair sitting here and a little telephone table in the corner here. And then we have the chaise lounge in the corner. Here is the china cabinet, and inside the china cabinet there is some glassware. There is martini glasses that we've purchased and wine glasses that we've purchased, and then down below is the original glasses that were here and some corn holders that are here, and a little bit of cut glassware that is down here, a little glass bowl, and some additional cut glassware that's down below here. And then on the wall there is one framed picture, and then another framed picture here, and then there's another framed picture on the wall here. In the closet, utility closet, there is toilet paper which we have purchased. There is a vacuum cleaner which may or may not work, I can't remember. I think we purchased that actually. There are some cookbooks up here. There is some wasp and bee and hornet killer. There are some miscellaneous tools. That pipe wrench is mine. And there are some games that are here. There's an ironing board that is here. And there's an American flag here, and there's a jacket here that looks like it could be Arlene's. Then leaving the dining room and walking into the living room, we see here one green stickly chair, another stickly chair next to it. We have a little secretary back here. Let's go back and just focus on the 2 stickly chairs that we have here that are fixed chairs. And then there is a 3rd stickly chair that is a fixed chair, and a 4th stickly chair that is fixed. And then there are 2 rockers. Here is one rocker, stickly rocker, and here is another stickly rocker. That accounts for all the stickly chairs that are in the living room. Then there is a couch. Here is the couch, and it has some pillows. There is a coffee table in front of the couch, but that is mine, that I brought up. There is another rocker here that has been here. There is a TV that is an old school tube type of TV. There is a metal table that's normally on the porch. There is a TV table that is over here. This screen here has we purchased and put up here in order to give Arlene some privacy so that she could have a single bed down here on the ground floor for nights that she cannot walk upstairs. There is a lamp that came with the house and a little table for the lamp to sit on that came with the house. There is another little table next to the stickly chair, a little tiny kid's rocker that is next to the piano. There is a piano and a piano bench that goes with the piano. There is a hutch that's in the corner over here, and there are 2 ceramic figures that are in the hutch that are sort of like frogs. There is a basket that came with the house, and there are various little toy-like things in there. There is several lamps. Here is one stand-up lamp over here, and here are 3 other stand-up lamps. 2 stand-up lamps and a table lamp. There is a swing that's normally on the lake porch that is sitting right now in the living room. There are some kids' toys that are here. And there are some folding chairs, some with straps that are broken, and other chairs that are still usable. These are the screens that go on the lake porch. There is a little ottoman. You see down here in the corner, there's an ottoman down here, and then under the table lamp there is a small table. And there's a little basket for putting newspapers in, a little wicker basket. We will now walk upstairs and see the bedrooms that are upstairs. Okay, we are now walking up the stairs. And the first bedroom on the left, on the lake side, is Arlene's room. And this is a dresser. There's a number of dressers here. Let's see if we can get more lights. So there is one dresser against the south wall. There is another Stickley-like chair. I'm not sure if it's a Stickley chair or not. That is a rocker. There is a mirror on the wall. And there is another dresser, a longer dresser, that is obviously on the floor. There is one lamp on the dresser. The other lamps are attached. There is what appears to be a double bed, could be a queen bed. Whatever bed is here is the bed that is here. There is a chair in the closet, and there is a little table with a little clock on the table next to the bed. Walking out of Arlene's room, come to our room, and there is a dresser that is on the wall here, against the wall with a mirror on it. There is another dresser or bureau that is hard to see, but it is here. It's not much light at this time. And then there's another lower dresser over here. I'll see if I can get more light on. Then there is a bed. And there are two chairs in the closet here. Wicker chair, one's wicker, one has a cushion on it. The wicker one appears to be slightly broken. Let's see, the lamps are not plugged in. So, let's see if I can get this dresser lit up a little bit better. Doesn't look like I can. So the dresser here is, you'll have to see the photograph of it to get a better view of the dresser. So walking out of this room, we then come to the North River room. In the North River room, there is one double bed, there is one single bed. There are three chairs, chair number 1 and 2 with a cushion on it, and then 2 wicker chairs on the wicker on the bottom. And there is a table with a lamp on it, another table with a lamp on it, and there is 2 more chairs also in the closet with cushions on them. And then here is the dresser in this room. There's only one dresser in the North Riverside room. Going into the South Riverside room, there is what appears to be a queen bed, and then there is a double bed in this room as well. It has a wooden frame. The other bed has no wooden frame. It looks like it is just up on a Harvard frame. And there's one tiny rocker here, no cushion, and one chair. It's hard to see. We'll move it by the light. There is one chair here that does have a cushion on it. And then there are 2 dressers. One is a low dresser with a mirror on it, and then there is another dresser that has a higher dresser that also has a mirror on it, and all the dressers are stained on the tops, which you can't see in the pictures here, but nevertheless those exist. And then there's also a small table in the corner here, which is trying to plug in a lamp so that people can see this. There is a small table next to the bed in this room. And that appears to be the grand total of everything that is in this house. Thank you.